of Justin is to have snacks in first grade. Healthy snacks. I want to make the school have more activities to do, like math activities and reading activities and writing, which is my most favorite thing. I think that will make the school better if we have after school, so the kids who want to learn even more, they could go and join it.
I think the classroom should have smart boards because today, or was it yesterday, we were going over, we were reading and there was a word that we didn't know. You could go on the internet and then you could search up the words and then you could go on images and they'll show you the images of the things so you would know what they are. Or you could watch movies that are educational, like Planet Earth. It shows you about the Earth and all of the things that happens on it.
I think like a little bit more work, because I like finish my work. Like some kids in my class, like me, we finish our work a lot.
I wish we had more projects, more group projects, more ones you have to go on the computer, not just books. I want more computer time. And I'd like computer classes. I just think that's necessary for everyone. Now in our generation, every job that is successful you need to work with computers, and I think that is needed. And then I think it's sports, because free sports, just because exercise is number one. People need to be more exercised and,
like a little bit like more field trips, like 3-4 field trips for the whole school year, because on field trips you get to learn about animals.
Like paint the walls full of learning stuff, like when you paint dinosaurs, it gives you an image of where you're doing a project about dinosaurs when you're writing something. My idea is to have more work for the young kids, like the kindergartners, like math and ABC work and other work.
I think we should have better preparation for first grade, because when I was in kindergarten and I went to first grade, that was the worst year for me. I didn't know anything. I was completely lost. I had no preparation for it. I knew 3 words. And I'm not blaming the teachers. I think it wasn't just me who had difficulty, but it was a little harder for everyone.
There should be more Spanish teachers for the kids who don't know how to speak Spanish. For us to do more projects on exploring things, like how the trees' leaves turn different colors when it's fall.
Like more computers, like a little bit more computers, because in classes, some people don't want to search things up in the dictionary, but I do. But it's just like some other people in my class. They ask me like I'm a dictionary, but I'm not. But yeah, they should have dictionaries that kids can research things.
This is a question actually. If we have phones and we don't know a word, we can just search it up instead of just having to look and because sometimes the teacher is looking away and I'll just take out my phone and search it fast. For me, it's just faster that way than having to open the book, look at what page.
For the little kids, for that, they should let math, tablets. I think someplace you can find tablets that you can search things up on.
I remember when I was in 4th grade, Nurse Joseph had this after-school program that talked about fitness, and it actually helped us because sometimes there were these people that came in and from Sound Shore Medical Center, and they talked about how to live longer and how to keep your heart good.
The kindergartners would have tablets that would say the words, like when the tablet speaks and after it says the paragraph, the kids try to repeat the same thing that it said. And on the math, the people that's on the tablet do the math for them, and then they try to do it on their own.
Kindergartner kids have to have science and science classes for the school because they wouldn't know what will happen. I think that will make the school better if pre-K and kindergarten have Dr. Seuss books because it's good for them. So when they go to 1st grade and 2nd grade, that they will know fairy tales if the teacher asks them to write a fairy tale.
I think kindergarten and pre-K, I heard this site called ABC Mouse. It's for kids very young, but I've heard 73% of the children who try this, their score increases drastically, And I don't know if it's true, but I think it's worth a try.
Teacher assistants. If you can find teacher assistants, that would be good. Sometimes the teacher is busy on someone else. In my class, my teacher has a teacher assistant, and it's better when she checks her homework because Miss Mahoney doesn't have to walk around to each person.
School sports, because a bunch of kids will like sports, and if we do it during school, that will take away part of our learning time, so I think it will be good for after school.
The young kids have to learn more about science and stuff.